So yeah guys, this is the last part of that Instagram live that Tirelo did, and this time she was all alone, you guys. So she talked about the public hate that she has been receiving once again, also about her newborn son Usingabako, who was there with her, and also she addressed questions. One particular question: does she hate Vuyokazi? Tirelo, as usual, addressed quite a lot, you guys. So let me not waste your time, but quickly insert that video. But before I do that, please do not forget to watch, subscribe, comment, like, and of course, share this video. So here's the video, you guys. Please do enjoy. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Ya, ngiyamazi uLoli uyathukana. Hey wena, ngimsabani? Hey mina ngiyamsaba lo sisi loya. Unkunda nini uphuma angazi. Oh, I have two questions. Happy relationship. Hey, if you were umlungu uzoba iginja. Where? Which high school did you go to? I went to work school of friends. Mfana kasho spila. You are the girl. Mama. Why do you guys call me Mama? You're not Tirelo, man. Oh, Tirelo. It's Cape Town. Where's my uncle? Ukwabone. Please edit for your life. How often do you see each other, you and your BF? Yo, nalimuto. Ore ke sa rapo ka ngwana. Nna le rato mpotsa ka ngwana hle why kiyo. Nang. Thing we call you Mamncane because you're the second wife. But the cleavage, guys, I don't know, but I'm laying. Obviously, my boobs are bound to be like this because I'm wearing a dress. There's nothing that I can do. We see blanket, not baby. The baby that I'm gonna go 161. No, I'm not showing my baby. But honestly, do you like your co-sister? Yeah, I don't have a reason not to like her. Hello, Tirelo. Hi. How old is our baby? Only 3 months. I guess sure. How were his grandparents when they met him for the first time? They were over the moon. Is he sleeping? Yeah, Ulel. No, TV makes you rude. I used to not like you, but now I love you so much. I'm also not ready to post mine. He's 3 months old. After losing my 22-year-old. No, that's not the case. People are so rude, hey? People are rude. I carry people on my case. So now they're dragging my baby Mudlonzeo, and with kids we don't play. So I can ask if it is a bad comments about my baby. Rude when I'm and that's not cool. tla ka wena gore ke rude wetse tla ka wena I go when that show was recorded she was pregnant her hormones were off. So we never said she must show her baby, so shut up. Really? This one. You have a beautiful baby. Thank you so much. Thank you. When are you going to do a meet and greet with your fans? I don't King meet. I'm not a King. DVD one gonna go TikTok celebrate. I'm not a celebrate. I'm not a celebrate. Or get to the meet and greet. Yo, naka is a meet and greet. But on sharp about. Yo, my Inza will show you flames into what? It's like little bonayana fell for like 30 minutes to 161. I believe Lela for a year. Manahutana little rough just with your color. Ish. Ngwana wa tšhentšha leng o tshwana le mamang leng o tshwana le mamang leng o tshwana le mamang ni mazelaphi like ubabuze tlhemayolza. Do you think you'll have more babies in the future? One. I'm the only child at home when I get one. So as it is, ako muna only one. So kibatlabana is 5. So 1 down. Shut up for Kazal. Kazal, I'm joking. Jokes. Celebrity. I get celebrity now. When I meeting up with Vuyokazi, I don't know. You and Mpumelelo actually deserve each other. I feel sorry for Vuyokazi because she's the only sensible one. So I had another tlhaloganyos ntle o tletse but 5 ke rapela gore ka 2030 ha ke nna pregnant ne modimo amphe ma-quadplets. Yeah. Kirata your joke. Thank you, Bona. Kirekile from this other TikTok lady, Bitumelo. Yeah. How was your birth experience? How was it? Sesihlala for to go ngempela. Ngisakiba bonke. Ngisakwana kiba bonke. Cause ba rata ntshe ga ke re ba rata gwetsa gare bonang guys. Gopela link tshisa ka di pictures tsa ka tsa Facebook. This is ma khale ke rata pinky wait. Mpone entleng. And then here's another one. Yeah, this is the picture that anyone trending sa kayo. It's on the same day. Esempone ne. Ne ba sa dietse dilo tse nna makgale ke rata dilo. Yo. Jim. And it was on the same day. Kita maka blackberry. Yo guys, like popular blackberry. Vuyokazi is the most loved one. Hamselek, especially the siblings. Kingena, Piman Jimin. I don't want to lie. South Africa loves Vuyokazi more than you, but we also don't have a problem with you. Gore South Africa e rata mang go etsagalang ai patse nna. Before ke tlhagelela ko TV ne ke ratiwa ke mang. So please stop it, man. Khalo rata pink like khale ke rata pink baby. Yo khale ke rata pink jam. O itse anything ere in pink le ga ile mas ka e rata. Ba go editse mmimi nagana as if when 10 years ago nna ke batla ba re bontshe pictures of one from 10 years ago when I was papa and that's why so what I don't care I'm a lerato la bone le tsang le increase bank balance ya ka boka or does my ass get fatter or what nothing. What do you guys want to know? I plan to get married. We left Pink Sham. I'm on Facebook. They made a meme of your face. When they are calling me a pig, they call my baby a piglet. Nakan. Baby thing about is skipping. Yeah, Peter, no, papa. Yeah, was your Peter. Thank you, Anna. You was your son. Yes, I do. Alivalizuru kopani kairi ndate valizuru. Ndate valizuru ne. Sendetse stuki yang embarrassa guys. Anyways, sendetse DM. Because I because join a live. I send a DM. And then what happened? The rest is history. Make us love and have respect. People are mean. Nagana tlengwana o sa itseng sepe. Ngwana o sa itseng sepe gate ke piglet. That's why it's about to and to young embarrassed. Anyways, so speaking English. Oh, this is a mirror. Makes her born. What do you tell me, Hey, beautiful. I saw. Does your baby have a Tswana name? Manaka hana nina la Tswana. Kisinga bago. want to request it say 15. I can catch it up. What does your baby's name mean? We are his, yeah, who's pet. That's what he said. Who gave your baby the name? Nkulwak. Let's never read it already donate. Okay, I'm not going to do it. But when I feel sunny, I can't run. I can't like it as a papa has to work. And they are no man. Are you older than Mpumelelo? Yes, we are a year apart. Boys are okay. Bye. Two. Sharp. Okay. Waneha watching. Okay. Which means he's your Ben 10. Ben 10, I can't say Ben 10 to make an age man. Okay, bye. Actually, no, let me do this. He's your Ben 10. Yeah, I keep Ben 10. I can sugar mama. Sugar mom, go. Yes.